Hello and welcome. My name is Kyle Montgomery. I am an information specialist at Unity Health Toronto. And in this video, I will be showing you how to locate journal articles on Unity Health Toronto's library website. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to locate the article that is currently shown on screen. Additionally, for the sake of this demonstration, I am currently on site at St. Michael's Hospital. So, to begin, to locate an article on our library, you need to know the journal that the article is located in. You cannot search or locate an article using the title or by author. Thankfully, in the citation shown on screen, I do have the journal that the article was published in. In this example, it has been highlighted in yellow. So to begin, I am simply going to select and copy the journal title. And from there, I'm going to move to the home page of the library. Now, since I am looking for a journal, and this search bar is for books and ebooks, I'm going to look at the top bar and click on Find Books and Materials. From there, in the drop-down menu that appears, I'm going to click on Journals. And on the Journals page, I can see a search bar for journals. So from here, I can either type in the name of the journal that I'm looking for, or in my case, I'm going to paste it into the search bar. And from here, I can begin searching by hitting enter on my keyboard or clicking the search button located to the right of the bar. Now, this is the search results screen. And from here, I simply need to select the search results that best matches my search terms. In this case, I can see that the first result is an exact match for the journal I'm looking for. And I can also see that it's available online. So I'm going to click on the first search result. And from there, I'm going to look under View Online. And I can see that it's available at St. Michael's Hospital, which, as previously mentioned, is the site I'm currently located at. This will ensure I will not run into access issues when attempting to locate this article. So I'm going to click on the link here to be brought to the journal's external website. Now, from here, I'm going to go back to my citation, and I'm going to copy the title of the article, which in this case is highlighted in green. So I'm going to select it and copy it. And then I'm going to move back to the external journal website. Now, depending on the journal you're looking for, your interface may vary. But I can see on this page that there is a search bar that will allow me to search within this journal. So I'm simply going to paste the title of the article into this bar and then click on the magnifying glass to search. Now from here, I can quickly see that the first search result is an exact match for the title. So I'm going to click on that. And from here, I can either view, download, or cite the article as needed. This concludes the tutorial for locating full-text articles on Unity Health Toronto's library website. If you have any questions or need assistance in locating an article, please do not hesitate in contacting the library at hslibrary@unityhealth.to. Our staff would be more than happy to assist you in your attempt to locate a resource. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a nice day.